Hi, I'm Gabby.
Hi, I'm Jade.
And today we're making DIY Valentines. Starting with maraschino cherries, chocolate chips, butter, powdered sugar, and mini cupcake wrappers. We're going to make cherry cordials
And Valentine's Day card.
First, we're going to start off with some cherries, softened butter, and some sugar powder. Powdered sugar. Spill it. Keep adding sugar until you get a doughy consistency. You're going to need some more. Use your hands if you need to.
Oh, consider wash your hands.
Next, we're going to get some chocolate and warm it up in the microwave for 30 seconds. And you're gonna get a cherry-sized piece and roll it around in your hands, flatten it, get a cherry and put it in the middle, and then wrap it around the cherry, and you're gonna get it all around the sides and cover the whole cherry and roll it in your hands.
Dip it in the chocolate.
Let it harden in the refrigerator for 15 minutes, then you dip it again.
While you're waiting, you can watch. I don't know. I didn't get to say.
Half time! Grab a box, paper and stickers, glitter, glue, and a pencil. You can write a nice message or whatever you want and trace on with glue.
You can sprinkle on glitter. I like heights. Grown-ups can help too.
Now we can add stickers. We got these from the dollar store.
Ooh, glitter, sparkly.
Ooh, we can put glitter in our hair.
Perfect. Fabulous.
Now that we're done with our cards, we're going to finish our chocolates.
Put your cupcake wrappers in the box. Put your cordials inside.
After a week, the butter and sugar will make a liquidy consistency. And there you have it, your cherry cordials. Happy Valentine's Day! Remember, like, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe.